Okay, well hello YouTubers, this is TCBot here. Here we have another project, well on top of my other many projects, but this one I've been kind of using it. Should have done a video sooner. But basically, this is a Kyosho Pure 10 Spider. I got this with another RC car, it's basically free essentially. Yeah, as you can see she's got a bit of a damaged gear and, oh yeah, really damaged gear. Damn. Basically what happened is, this thing ended up going flat out due to either the batteries falling out, I don't know if that happened first, or the carb coming loose and sucking in air. I wasn't driving it at the time, my friend was driving it. It went flat out and it was running for about 5 minutes at full RPM under no load and no airflow going over it because it wasn't moving. So the engine got extremely hot. I do mean extremely hot. There's all its guns as well. I don't know if he went for a puddle or what. Yeah, she's pretty bad. She's in pretty rough shape, this thing. Engine is in bits in a Coke can at the moment. Here's the engine itself. That's just the crankshaft in there, not a lot else. Carburetor, it's covered in muck. Just another Coke can, some thinners just to clean everything up. And hopefully, this thing will run again. But yeah, I might need to buy some parts. I've got another engine for it, but I'm hoping I can just use this engine and get it all back together again. Right, that concludes part 1 of the video. Well, I say part 1, there'll be a separate video posted about this car, another update. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.